Tri-State Bobcat in Hudson, Wisconsin. Here we go with a 2009 Bobcat S185. We've got it all here, 2-speed, high-flow, ACS, air conditioning, very nicely equipped, under 1,000 hours. Vertical lift, boom, nice shape. The machine has not been used hard. We've got a 6220 operating weight, an 1850 rated operated capacity, and 118 inches of lift to the pins. You know, the big story on a vertical lift machine is that at full height, we've got almost 30 inches of reach, 29.6. So if you want to load a truck, this is the machine to do it with. Power bob attach. You've got your auxiliary couplers here, and there is our 7-pin to plug in any Bobcat attachment. And with that high flow, we're going to be able to run just about any attachment as well. The high flow on this is going to give you 26.4 gallons per minute. We do have to put new tires and rims on this. It's got 12s on it, so we'll go down to the stock 10/16/5s. Get that set up so you'll have new rubber with this machine. Tailgate, real nice condition, you know, just a few little scratches on it, nothing major. Paint has been touched up on it. There are some spots that were treated and touched up. Overall though, it's mostly the original paint. 185, got this nice turbo Kubota diesel. You know, we're tier 3 here. We don't have anything to worry about as far as emission wise. It's a clean burning, long, dependable running machine. It's got the sound package on it. Great serviceability on it. You can see your hydraulic filter, your fuel fill, your oil filter. You can see your fuel filter, your battery, your air cleaner. It's easy to service a Bobcat. It's even easy to check the oil, change the starter. It's not like some of the other machines out there where maintenance is a struggle. It's easy with a Bobcat. We got our oil cooler and our radiator overhead, and our maintenance schedule printed right on the back door. Nice solid machine. Let's take a look at the interior. You know, door shows a little bit of rust around the lip. Machine runs real nice, it's quiet. There we go. You can see we've got high flow 928.9 hours. Hand or foot control, power bob attach. We got bucket positioning. We've got the keyless panel, so you can put a code in there and deter theft. We also have radio. It's crazy. Well set up on this machine. Air conditioning. Got our wiper. You know, it's all good. And then let's just show you these controls. So in the ACS mode, we're running it with case controls. You can run her all hands. There's your float position. Sets that down nice. If you want, then we just go up here, switch it out, and then the machine runs in foot controls. But you can just hear what a nice quiet machine this is. We'll throttle it up. The cab makes a big difference. This would be an easy machine to spend some time in. Year round. Again, we got a 2009 Bobcat S185. It's a 2-speed, so you're going to get about a little over 11 miles per hour with that. It is high flow, so we're going to pick up 26.4 gallons per minute. You can put a snow blower, you can put a stump grinder on this machine. Utilize it year-round. Advanced control system, if you got a sore toe, you can run this one, hand or foot. So you got both control systems built in here. Radio for entertainment, air and heat for climate. We'll put on new 10/16/5 tires. It's got the block heater, 118 inches to the hinge pin, so it'll lift nice and high, and it's got the reach because of that vertical lift boom. Overall, real nice condition. Again, there's a few paint chips on it that have been touched up. Overall, though, the machine is in very nice condition. You can just tell by the rear door it's not all scuffed up. Tri-State Bobcat, Hudson, Wisconsin. Give Jeff a call, 715-781-3940 on this 2009 Bobcat S185 skid steer loader. Again, snow's coming, 2-speed. It includes a bucket, and we'll do a full service on it before it goes out. It's a good, nice way to buy a machine. It'll be ready to go to work. Tri-State Bobcat, Hudson, Wisconsin. Give Jeff a call, 715-781-3940. Thank you.